Shocking case studies. The following are the stories of some of the marketers, businesses, and individuals that have made it big on the YouTube platforms by following only the best marketing strategies available. And we want to share them with you so you can follow their example and then lead the way for the new marketers to come. Blend Tech. Blend Tech is easily one of the most recognizable and beloved channels all across YouTube around the world. They are famous for their Will It Blend videos, where they simply use blenders to see if they can crush certain objects. Their initial objective of the guy behind Blend Tech, Tom Dixon, was to use the videos for product demonstrations. The people behind Blend Tech followed the principle of less is more when they started uploading the product demonstration videos. Then after finding out they could get millions of views with such a simple approach, they decided to make their videos into comedy sketches. The first few videos posted on the channel brought in a massive 6 million views on the channel, and currently the channel holds a record 281 million views. PlayStation. The PlayStation channel serves as the home for everything PlayStation related on YouTube. You might know the PlayStation brand as one of the leading platforms in the ever-growing gaming industry. The objective behind the PlayStation channel has been always to have a place where PlayStation fans can find amazing video content featuring their favorite brand, as well as to attract new customers and followers by showcasing amazing gaming productions. The PlayStation strategy is simple. It uses branding tactics that allows people to immediately recognize the PlayStation brand. It also relies on unique content related to their products. PlayStation was one of the fastest growing channels in the year 2013, attracting over 2 million subscribers in that year alone, and it currently has over 5 million subscribers from all around the world. GoPro. GoPro is a tech company that specializes in video equipment. From its humble origins back in 2002, it has become a household name that is now synonymous to the action cam term, because that is their main line of products. The company's initial objective was centered around demonstrating the usefulness of early GoPro products on their YouTube channel. They shifted gears right around the time when they started getting their first million views by encouraging people to provide them with user-generated content, which proved to be a killer strategy. The GoPro channel got its first 1.8 million subscribers soon after making their initial call for user-generated content, which also helped them to up their revenue in 2013 to $234 million. Just by introducing YouTube in their marketing efforts. LSTN Sound Company. LSTN is a company that specializes in producing high-end wood-encased headphones, and they are mostly known because of their cause-oriented business ventures. The company's objective was to simply give back to a community that has helped them to grow by promoting headphones for the hearing impaired on YouTube. Their strategy was to send their message as clear as possible with their videos, to let people know that they were targeting a good cause. Using the "for every headphone we sell, we help restore hearing to a person in need" message on their videos. Their YouTube marketing campaign made the company able to reach their goal of helping over 22,000 people in 9 different countries, including Peru, Mexico, China, and the US. Rockenbach Education. The Rockenbach company started as a small toy-producing line back in the early 90s. They focus on producing high-quality children's construction and educational toys. With the decline of brick-and-mortar stores, the company decided that it needed a new channel to promote and market their product lines, so they decided on YouTube. The company has used stop-motion videos showcasing their toys while using construction-related keywords in their video titles and descriptions to attract kids interested in the kind of toys that the company produces. Rockenbach has reported that over 50% of the new customers come from watching their products in action on the YouTube platform since their first foray back in 2006.